Hello everybody, just wanted to show you this little button board I made for my son. He kept turning my Xbox on and off, and rather than wearing that out, I thought I'd just make him a little button board with some LEDs that light up when he pushes buttons. So here it is. It's just 10 arcade style buttons and a selector switch that changes the mode. I'll show you that a little bit later. A whole bunch of wires, lots of point-to-point wiring. Sorry, the lighting in here is a little bad, but 4 shift registers and an Arduino Pro Mini hiding back there. And that's pretty much it for electronics. I also have a little speaker jack, so you can just use a headphone cable and plug this into a speaker if you want the sounds. So here it is in action. So this is mode 1. And in mode 1, you just push buttons, they light up and make sounds. It's just a scale. And that's it for mode 1. Mode 2 is the same, except the buttons latch, so the audio is a little buggy in this. Haven't figured that out yet, but turn it on. And they just all stay on until you push it again. So mode 3, it's kind of just like a Vegas mode, I call it. Lots of lights just come on. First, it's just random. Then you can hit a button, it'll go to kind of a next pattern. Just does this little cascade thing. Hit it again. It just goes through a bunch of different patterns every time you hit a button in this mode. And I think the next one they all just start flashing. There it is. So then I'll go to the last mode, my favorite mode, which is just a Simon Says game I made. So this is the beginning of the game. And first it's going to light up those 4 buttons. It's just asking me game length. So if I hit that white button, it's only going to do 4 times and then I'll win the game. And then it just goes up from there. The red button is infinite, so it'll just keep going until I lose, basically. So just for the demo, I'm going to go 4 times. And now it's asking me how fast I want to go. So the white button is for really slow, something that like my kid could do. The buttons light up for like a full second. And the green is, of course, the fastest. It's pretty quick. So we'll just do the medium for the demo. Starting us off with just 1 blue. And that's it. I won. So I'll go through it again just to show you what happens if you lose. Here it is, just starting over again. And there's my options. Oh, and also the infinite mode, it keeps getting faster the further you get in. So once you're probably beyond 15, it starts to get very fast, no matter what you select right here. So we'll go super fast to begin with. And I'll just get the wrong answer. That's pretty much it. It's just going to start over again, and it'll keep doing that until I switch the selector button or I just turn it off.